Good morning everyone. Today we have to discussing very important chapter going on. That is the fourth chapter, simple equations. The simple equation inside the exercise, continue exercise 4.1. That is 4.1, continue exercise 4.1. So then inside question number 3, what is there? Question number 3. Now solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. By trial and error method. So like this inside. So two equations are there. First equation 5t plus 17, 5t plus 2, 5t plus 2 is equal to 17. Second one is there 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So like this is given, trial and error method, my dear students. So here error and trial, how trial will come that LHS to RHS are equal will come, like this we have to find out it, right? So how to find out in the trial and error method, that is very important, my dear students. So two equations is there, means trial and error method exactly LHS to RHS both are equal will come. Which number you have to taking? Which number you have to taking that to LHS is equal to RHS will come. Directly don't know which number you have to taking, don't know. But you have to use the method trial and error method. Okay? So I am taking that first one, Sulochana. 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. So p value what you taking means LHS and RHS will come. So I am taking p is equal to 1 time 0, 1 time 1, 1 time 2, 1 time 3, like this 4 I will take. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, first you have to put the values. P value in the given equation, the both LHS is equal to RHS will come equal. So first one, p is equal to 0 I have to substitute. 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. So 5 into p value first 0 plus 2 is equal to 17. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 0 plus 2, 2 is equal to 17. Both are equal, not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS, my dear students. This is not a equation. It is not a equation. Okay? Now next one. 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Then p is equal to take 1, 0, 1. Now p is equal to 1. So 5 into 1. 5p is a 5 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2 is equal to 17. So 5 plus 2, 7 is equal to What is the dialogue? You have to write in dialogue. P is equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. Is the solution of the given equation. So given equation is what is there? Given equation is what is there? 5 plus is equal to 17. So when p value have put the given equation inside, then LHS is equal to RHS become equal. That is trial and error. So second one also same thing. You have to p value have to m value. Here p is there. Which variable is there? You see. P is there, m is there, x is there, a is there. What is the variable is there? You see, and put the values of the given equation. Are you understood? Last LHS is not RHS came now. Like this, you have to read the dialogue. Dialogue is very important. Half marks is dialogue. Okay. Now second equation. Trial and error method inside. Second one. Sulochana. Now second one, 3m minus 14 is equal to 4 is there, right? So I am taking m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much also you take? This much you will know. First you take that value. How much also? You have to 1 by 1 to put the value of in the given equation inside, that is m. So now first trial, 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So first m is equal to 0, 3 into 0. First m is equal to 0, 3 into m value 0 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 zeros are 0 minus 14 is equal to 4. So 0 minus 14 minus 14. This is not equal to 4. Here minus 14 is there. Here 4 is there. Both are equal? No. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. This is first trial. Trial and error. So next second one. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So m is equal to 1. 3 into m value 1 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 ones are 3 minus 14 is equal to 4. So 3 minus 14 minus is greater than percent is minus 14 minus 3 11 is equal to 4. Both are equal? No. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. It is not a solution of given equation. Right? Now next trial. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So m is equal to 2 now. So 1 0 over 1 over now 2. So 3 into 2 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 2s are 6 minus 14 is equal to 4. So minus is greater than or is there minus 14 minus 6 8 is equal to 4. Both are equal. Here minus 8 is there. Here 4 is there. Not equal. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. It is not solution of given equation. Next. So next trial, 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So m is equal to what? 3. 3 into m value 3 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 3s are 9 minus 14 is equal to 4. So it's greater than or is there minus 14 minus 9. How much? 5 is equal to 4. Both are equal? No. It's not equal. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Now next trial, 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So m is equal to 4. So 3 into 4 m value 4 minus 14 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 14 is equal to 4. the 18 minus 4 is equal to 4. So 18 minus 14, 18 minus 14 is 4 is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. Both are equal. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So dialogue M is equal to 6 is a solution of given equation like this. We have to find out the trial and error method. First you take the values. So how much also you have to take, but you have to take the values and put the clearly the given equation inside. Like this we have to come the trial and error method, which will come that LHS and RHS both are equal. Now stop. The what you put is there, M is equal to 6. When you taking M is equal to 6, you will come both are equal. So like this you have to find out the trial and error method, my dear students. Okay. Now next fourth question is there. See here, I understood this trial and error method. This is very important for 3 mark question. 3 mark question is there. Okay. Now fourth question. Fourth question is there, my dear students. What is the fourth question here? Write the equation for the following statements. Write the equations. Write the equations for the following statements. So first one is there. The sum of numbers. Already over the previous class. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. My dear students, statement is given. So algebraic expression, any equation inside the statement is given means how to write in equation form. The statement words inside is given, words inside. How to read, like this only how to write the equation. Sulochana, the sum is not addition of numbers. Which numbers are there? X and y. Sum is there. X plus 4. The sum of numbers x and 4. X plus 4. Sum is there. Is 9 is equal to 9. So like this you have to write the statement in the given statement. You have to write the equation form. So what is there? Very simple is there. What you did nothing. The sum of numbers. Sum is not addition. Numbers what is there? X and 4. So x plus 4 is equal to 9. Is 9 is what? Is equal to 9. So like this you have to write the equations. So second one statement. To subtracted from y is 8. 2 is subtracted from y is 8. Means what, my dear students? You know English letter, you have to writing letters to from. 2 from means what? From. Yar in the yar. Like this you can know. This 2 from this 2 is equal to 70. Very simple. 10 is not how to multiply. 10 into 8 is equal to 70. Like this statement you done, write the equation form. So next, fourth one, what is the C? Fourth one, the number B divided by the number B is divided by 5 gives 6. So very simple, my dear students. The number B is divided by 5. B is divided by 5. B divided by 5 gives 6 is equal to 6. My dear, it's very simple, is there? Very simple mathematics. How to write the equation form when the word is given like this? You have to find out in the next applications problems will come. Use like this. Okay. Then fifth one, 3/4 of T. 3/4 of T is 15. See, Sulochana, 3/4 means what? 3/4 of T means what? Into T is 15 is equal to 15. Nothing. 3/4 of into means what? Into T is equal to 15. Nothing inside, my dear students. Very simple. Very simple is there. Next one. Next. Very simple statement is given. You have to write the equation form. So next, what is there? Fifth one. Sixth one. So what is the sixth one? 7 times m. 7 times m plus 7 times m plus 7. You get it's you 77. Very simple, my dear students. 7 times m. 7 times m is what? 7 times m. 7 into m plus 7 is equal to, you get, so 77. You get 77 is what? Is equal to 77. Very simple. So next, seventh one. 1/4 of a number. 1/4 of a number. 1/4 of a number. X minus 4 gives 4. My dear students, 1/4 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. So 1/4 x minus 4 is equal to 4. My dear students, like this you have to see here. 1/4 of a number means what? Into number x minus 4 use 4 is equal to 4. Like this you have to write the statement in the equation inside. So eighth one. So eighth one. What is the eighth one? If you take away 6, if you take 6 times y. 6 times y. 6 times y. You get 60. You get 60. You get 60. So like this. If you take away 6 from 6 times y. 6 times means what? Y means what? 6y. Away from minus 6 is equal to get 60. Sulochana. If you take away means what? Next 6 from 6 times y. Away means what? Away from means what? Minus 6 times y. 6 times 6 into y. Away from minus 6 is equal to get 60. Is equal to 60. Like this we have to find noting the write the equations. Last 9th one is there. 9th one. If you add 3, if you add 3 to 1/3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. You get 30. So my dear students, very simple is there. What is that? If you add 3 to 1/3 means what? Sulochana. 1/3 means what? 1/3 of z plus add means what? Plus 3 is equal to you get how much? You get how much? You get 30. Now write here 30. You get 30 is equal to 30. If you add 3 to a number, which number? 1/3 of z. How means what? Into z plus 3 plus add plus 3 is equal to get 30. So like this you have to write the statement is given means what? You have to write the equation. Understand my dear students? Like this you have to write the equations. Okay? Now one question, fifth one question, what is this here? Fifth one question now. Understand my dear students? Yes. No. Now reverse. Now equation is given. You have to write the statement form. You have to write the statement form. Statement form. See what is given here. So see here. Write the following equation. Write the following equations in statement form. In statements form. So first one. P plus 4 is equal to 15. P plus 4 is equal to 15. Now reverse this is reverse is given. The reverse equation is given. You have to write the statement. The sum of T and 4 is 15. Very simple is that. So the sum of P and 4 is 15. So equation is given, I return statement. First statement is given, I have to return equation. Now equation is given, I have to write the what statement inside. Some give the homework, you have to do. Right? Homework. This question only homework. Second one. M minus 7 is equal to 3. You have to write statement form. So third one. 2m is equal to 7. Fourth one. M by 5 is equal to 3. Fifth one. 3m by 5. 3m by 5 is equal to 6. 6 months. 6 months. 3b plus 4. 3b plus 4 is equal to 25. Next 7 months. 7 months. 7 months. 4p minus 2. 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. So 8 months. 8 months. P by 2 plus 2. P by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. You have to do the homework. So equation form is given like this. You have to write the statement inside. Okay? Okay, my dear students, are you understood? Are you sufficient? Okay. All the best. Do well and do practice more. Any doubt is there? Ask. Okay? All the best.